Born in 1996, Digimax SRL is now the leading Italian distributor for power supplies, LED products, displays, and industrial embedded PCs. Thanks to strong relationships with the world's most accredited manufacturers in the industrial and lighting sectors. Digimax offers a complete, tailored service to the customer through skilled technical commercial expertise and high level of stock available. Fast delivery and excellent after-sales service from the initial stage of a project to its final realization make Digimax suitable for every need. Digimax offers complete solutions for lighting projects through power supplies, LEDs, components and light control systems. Even for industrial projects, Digimax offers best solutions between embedded PCs, motherboards, LCD displays, software support, and customizations for industrial automation, IoT, artificial intelligence, and Industry 4.0. The interaction with the customer is supported by different dedicated area. The showroom with the most interesting and innovative products in the market. The Digimax Lab, by which the customer may test his own product customization with possibility to be trained by Digimax Academy in the training room. Digimax may also offer an assembly laboratory and a technical assistance area for pre- and after-sales service. Digimax, heart and positive energy.